In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the advanced question types in Google Forms. Before beginning this video, I opened a Google form, chose a background, and titled it Google Forms. The first question type that we are going to look at is the scale option. Let's try an example. This type of question allows the responder to scale their answer. In this area, you can label what it would mean to select a number like 1 or closer to 1, or one that's closer to 5. And when we click Done, we can see what the scale question type looks like. Now let's try the grid choice. For this choice, I'm going to give the question a title. And now I'm going to fill in some statements for each row, and then some choices that the responder will have in each column. Let me show you an example. These are the 3 statements, and now in each column, I'm going to fill in some options for the responder. So the options will be, I use Google Forms, or I use Google Docs, or I use Google Presentations, never, sometimes, or daily. Let's click Done to see how this option will appear. You can see that it kind of looks like a grid. There are rows and columns. The next 2 options would probably work best for things like invitations. The first choice is to have the responder choose a date. So, what day works best for you to learn about Google Forms? And you can include the year or not, and you can include the time in this question. When I click Done, you can see how it appears. If I want to choose to have the responder submit the time in a separate question, I would fill in this question type. You also have the option to include duration. How long would you like to learn about Google Forms? Or you can stick with the time. Let's take a look at how these 4 advanced question types will look on a live form. You can see that this is the scale option, this is the grid option, date, or time. I hope that this helps you to create Google Forms that include the advanced question types.